Malad, I am for the petitioner. Malad, I take out the application. Malad, can do. Malad, kindly see.
Somebody
Malad,
else was
he
appealing
is
for the
supposed
private
to address something to before the lordship. He request me.
Then,
Subject to lordships, Malad.
then you leave the brief.
No. Malad,
Then you retire from the brief.
না আপনি পিছিয়ে যান দাঁড়ান জজ সাহেব বললে তখন জজ সাহেব যদি অনুমতি দেন তাহলে আপনি বলুন কাইন্ডলি সি দা পেজ 16
Why?
60
Page 60. কি
হ্যাঁ।
হয়েছে কি?
annexary মানে কাইন্ডলি সি দা অর্ডার মালদ
60.
yes can do malad I am for the petitioner malad I take out the application malad can do malad kindly see malad
Somebody else was appealing for the private party yesterday though.
yes malad
I beg to appear on behalf of the respondent number 2.
You were the
I'm
state.
led by Mr. Vishwarup Bhattacharya, who is engaged in courtroom number 9.
malad
Page in can এসছে? Can 1 টা দেখি কি? What are you wanting in can 1?
malad can one malad is that vacating application
I can 2.
can to can is the application for injunction. Malad, my client is here, Malad. He is supposed to address something to before the lordship. He request me.
Then,
Subject to lordships, Malad.
then you leave the brief.
No. Malad,
Then you retire from the brief.
না আপনি পিছিয়ে যান দাঁড়ান জজ সাহেব বললে তখন জজ সাহেব যদি অনুমতি দেন তাহলে আপনি বলুন Malad, kindly see the page 16
Why?
60
Page 60. কি
হ্যাঁ।
হয়েছে কি?
annexary Malad, kindly see the order, Malad
60.
yes can to টা বার করে দিয়েছেন তো Malad, as a private taker whom allegation is made to cause obstruction in raising the boundary wall has denied. Malad, it's a club and the keeping is the what councillor who is the party of this proceeding as a performer respondent number 2. It will open be for the petitioner to construct the boundary wall in accordance with law. In the event there is a obstruction resistance from the private respondent and from of the members of the local club, it will be open for the petitioner to prepare appropriate police help. The police shall ensure that no breach of peace, no obstruction caused by the BS of the private respondent at the time of raising the boundary wall by the matter is returnable 15 July. That matter is not returnable because determination of change. The police shall be filed a report. My next page 61. The police shall be filed a
The
report.
report has been filed. That report.
Previous report was filed.
No.
One-
This 24th June order report has been filed.
No. Malad, I have complained. Malad, I have gone to the spot with my laborers. Malad, they said that I am specifically stated in paragraph 24. In Bengali, they said that Rajadar Baron আছে এখানে কোনো লেবার কাজ করতে পারবে না. They flew above. And I go to the police station, 3 hours detained in the police station, and the OC and the police officer said that if you uttered a single language against that
Wait.
what councillor, I will not give.
Wait.
But this is the
Please
diary.
contact it is applicant named Devdutt.
That is the last diary.
To inform me the starting date of construction and the question to render petition, but the applicant did not inform us. So the construction of boundary wall is
তুই তো এটা করে দিতে পারিস রে। তুই তো সব
in his landed property.
তুই তো রাজাদা
To
করে
inform
দে
me
না
the starting.
তুই তো রাজাদার লোক
Police
তুই তো
notice
করে দে
of-
এটা গাড়ি থেকে করে দে এটা ক্যান্সার পেশেন্ট কেন মানে 84 years of old was suffering from cancer. He sold his property after getting boundary wall for his treatment. He spent that money for his treatment.
Boundary wall. Police.
Some of the private response also there. They said no. In this
Is Mr. Bhattacharya is appearing for whom?
And I am appearing for the
Mhm.
pro forma respondent number 2.
what councillor? Well, he is the
No, but you have got any, except the accusations, if you have any.
But I have
No,
to
no.
deal with it. If your lordship stretches the matter to that extent, if he stretches the matter, then I need to file an affidavit.
No, but if he constructs a boundary wall, have you any version to say?
I am not there. In
well,
any,
it-
apart from my lord being the council,
Are you, apart from being the councillor, you have no interest?
there is no other involvement. Now,
Okay,
my lord,
all right. Ask your officer, engage masons. The matter will be pending regularly before me. If anything happens, construct the boundary wall. I'm just keeping the matter.
only
my lord, one thing, my lord. আচ্ছা
only
তুই
one
তুই
thing
বলেন
is- it is my duty to point out the local, the so-called club or whatever, they have been conducting pujo and my lord, various other festivities on this vacant land for the last 47 years. The writ petitioner
Now-
was also a part and parcel of it till 2019, 2020, before he succumbed to his illness.
My lord, his
I'm
cat
sorry,
is,
not succumbed, I'm so very
cat
sorry.
is,
But before
cat
he
is out of
started, my lord,
bed. Now cat is out of bed.
suffering from, I'm telling you, Lord,
No,
cat,
but-
আমি মিথ্যা কথা বলবো না।
না না বাবু বলেন।
তুমি তো মিথ্যে কথা বলো না, আমি তো
Mr.
জানি, তোমাকে
Bhattacharya,
তো আমি চিনি।
If their land they want to put a boundary wall and the municipality and other authorities have got no objection, then how?
I also, apparently from the records, I feel that there was a previous endeavor by the writ petitioner to come to your lordship's court where apparently a submission is also recorded at the behest of this so-called club or whatever, that they are not going to object. But despite that, for whatever reasons, the matter did not travel to your lordship's court once again by way of contempt or whatever. I was humbly beseeching your lordship to this extent, to this limited extent. If, my lord, a solution can be arrived at insofar as conducting the festivities or whatever, my lord, on this
First,
land.
let them get the boundary wall constructed. Thereafter, if the club wants to conduct the puja, then if they
But I will give. But first time, my lord, I will give the construct the boundary wall. It is my property.
Justice Sinha's order is there. Otherwise,
I have filed an application for vacating that order.
Huh.
No, my lord, it's a outer
Who are you? Who are you?
I
Who are
apply
you?
for the respondent number 1.
Who are you?
Club.
take your break. Take your break.
একটু দাঁড়ান, একটু ইয়ে করে নে, তারপরে একটু শ্বাসটা নিয়ে নে, তারপর কর। স্যার আছেন যখন কোনো অসুবিধা, স্যার তো বিশাল ব্যাপার।
Yes,
Yes.
you are the owner, adjacent owner. Who are you?
No, I am the club.
So
Will you
club,
kindly see there is the admission.
what
I am entitled to claim adverse possession.
Adverse
From
position.
1970 to 2018.
Adverse position.
then you go to appeal, sir.
No. Oh,
Adverse position.
my lord, I have made myself clear, my lord. Let the peace prevail.
They will
My lord, they will also allow the club and whatever to do their
They will
activities.
give-
They will just cordon off the area by
Yes,
way of a
yes.
boundary wall.
you give a boundary wall, but you
My
see
lord,
to that
There is no
that-
consent,
that a
there is
pu-
nothing.
that
My
a
lord,
puja
such-
was going on for
Yes.
considerable period.
Manoj, every year without permission, puja is going on.
No, that was without permission.
Without
When
permission.
the boundary wall-
Without permission, my lord, police authority allow this.
Are now you are giving a boundary wall because you are apprehensive.
Yes.
So I'm telling you, you give the boundary wall, construct
lord-
the boundary wall. Listen to me, construct the boundary wall and give permission to them to conduct.
My lord, one picture I will show to your lordship. My
About
lord,
the picture.
my lord, kindly, my lord, 1 minute for my satisfaction. My lord, page 70.
Sir, I will pass an order. You give the boundary wall. I'm keeping the matter pending. You keep a passage so that a passage means give a big gate over there so that people can enter for the puja purposes. Police, you give permission. Police will ensure 4-5 days puja
lord,
will happen. Thereafter,
My
police will
lord,
clear
I
it
will
now.
subject to lordship for my medical year. I will to sell this property. My lord, I will not retain. My lord, as because my lord,
Tell it to the councillor. Mr. Bhattacharya is ready.
selling to the council. মানে তুই কিনে নে না, তুই কিনে নিতে পারিস তো, তুই কিনে নে, ওটার প্রপার্টি তো তোর আছে অনেক জায়গায়।
No.
You
10 crore rupees, 10 crore
বাজে
rupees.
বাজে কথা বলছো।
কত?
According to
6 kata, 1 crore rupees, 6 crore rupees.
you see what is the market price from the
Hmm.
department ADSR and all those. What is the stamp value? 10% up and down. That is the usually
Very
the
well.
price.
মানে
I
they are about
forbid me to come back.
per kata non.
I am not going to be. Don't. This is live streaming going on, sir. Don't do this.
Yes.
Whatever is
I
the
told the High Court that it
government price. What is the government price for registration of the property? There is a price.
Yes.
10% up and down. That is what
Very
is going on.
My lord, kindly keeps it, my lord, Monday week, subject to your
No.
lordship. Yes,
Next month. Next month. No,
Monday week বলছি তো আমি।
Monday week. কারণ আমাদের
Monday week মানে 25 তারিখ।
সেটা আমার তো কোন ইয়েটা বাউন্ডারি ওয়ালটা তৈরি করতে হবে।
সেটা তো কনস্ট্রাকশন পরে যদি বেচেই দাও তাহলে আর কম।
না আমাকে একটা বাউন্ডারি ওয়ালটা দিয়ে
Are
তারপর
you going to sell or you going to tell me one thing? You
মানে
cannot-
I will give the boundary, then I will sell. Nobody can take without boundary.
They are taking. They are taking.
You will take.
আরে আমি কি করে জানবো? আমি এক্ষুনি দাঁড়িয়ে বলতে পারি আমি কি নেবো? কথা বলতে হবে।
All right. You take instructions.
Let me come back, my lord, on the 25th, subject to your lordship's convenience. 25th, whenever your lordship, my lord, that week, my lord.
This is only instruction part, sir. Then the materialization
Sir,
part will.
Then, my lord, next week.
Yes.
I did not keep it on 18th, my lord, 19th.
না, না, এই সামনের সপ্তাহে 22 তারিখ কিরম অবস্থা? বাকি
কিনে নে।
sir, hearing I will not do. I will just
Yes,
Here-
understood.
yes or no. Either they will go for boundary wall But if you want to sell the property really
Yes,
from the core of your heart,
yes,
whatever price you check from the concerned
yes.
authorities,
Registration,
Registration
from the
authority.
register.
whatever the price is reflected from there, you come to us.
Very good.
Mr. Bhattacharya.
Provided you want to sell, I'm not pressurizing you to sell. This is not the
He
duty
said
of the-
about the sale. I did not say.
No, I am saying the court has also not proposed to sell you the
Manoj,
property.
as because Manoj, they are always disturbing.
আবার একটা কথা বলছি disturbing. They are not disturbing.
What do you want this
You
court
want
to be
to co-
converted to?
Construct a boundary wall. I will allow that subject to condition that it will be allowed to be used for puja purposes.
Yes.
Now, if you want to sell the property, they will come up with a proposal. You don't, no quotation. ওই কি বাংলা ভূমি না কি আছে?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ।
You take out from there, whatever the price, that will be the price.
Yes. মানে রিটার্নেবল মানে
22nd, to be mentioned. হ্যাঁ?
আমার কোনো কথা শুনবে না আই ডোন্ট নো মানে
Tell them that once a lawyer,
আমি আসতে যে টেনশনে
once a lawyer is
আমার
engaged,
ঘর বাড়ি গাছপালা সব ধ্বংস করে দেয় লুটপাট করে নিয়ে গেছে
ঠিক আছে, আপনি উকিলবাবু দিচ্ছেন, উকিলবাবু সব বলেছে, আপনার দুঃখের কথা সব বলেছে। খুব ভালো উকিল দিয়েছেন, খুব ভালো কথা বলেছে।
ইটস এ গ্রেট
This-
প্লেজার টু মি
You make them understand what they want.
Yes.
List the writ petition
Yes.
under the heading to be mentioned on 22nd of November 2024.